Starfire from Teen Titans Go! You have been a naughty girl. Go to your room now.
Duck you, Stephanie. You are a goddess wannabe when you're not. Now get lost.
Starfire. How dare you talk back to me? That's it. I'm cutting your hair with a chainsaw.
Ha! You are using a chainsaw when you know it can be dangerous to 8-year-olders? Jeez. Stop acting you're the goddess or main character of this channel and get a life.
I'm not some kind of ducking bimbo. Now come here.
Back the duck off with that chainsaw, you witch.
This is what you get for trying to beef up on me. Now go to your room now.